Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: an active email or phone for verification and a unique gamer tag idea. On your PS5, make sure Forza Horizon 5 and system software are installed and updated. Once done, open a browser on your phone or console and navigate to Microsoft account creation. Choose Create Account. Enter email or phone, set a strong password, and accept basic privacy options. This gets you past the first gate quickly and prevents delays during verification. You'll next verify identity and complete required fields. Input the verification code Microsoft sends and then fill in birthdate, country, and recovery email or phone. Accuracy matters for account recovery. Once done, review privacy settings. Make sure game activity and friend requests are visible if you want multiplayer. Next, enable two-step verification to protect your gamer tag. Finally, confirm the new account by signing in once more. This ensures the account is active and ready to link to your PSN. You finish by linking the new Microsoft account to Forza Horizon 5 on your PS5. Launch the game and when prompted, select Sign in with Microsoft account, enter credentials, and accept permissions to sync cloud saves and progression. Once linked, check your gamer tag appears in-game and that online features work. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, clear console cache by fully powering down, or reset the game license. Contact Xbox/Microsoft support if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.